I about to slide down.
It's recording.
What? See?
Alright, shout out to my wife. Shout out to Olivia Joy. She's crying. Shout out to Amy Grace. She's not crying.
Are you gonna tell why Olivia Joy is crying?
She's crying because I beat her putting my seatbelt on.
You competing against the 4-year-old.
It's not just a 4-year-old. It is my daughter, and she always wants to win. So I beat her today, put my seatbelt on. But she got in the car before me. So that gives her no excuse.
No,
So she should have won.
The lines were not drawn from the beginning. She usually competes against her sister putting the seatbelt on. So
Her sister can't put her own seatbelt on. You have to put her seatbelt on.
I'm helping her sister put her seatbelt on. So you changed the game when you said, "Oh, I'm gonna beat you." So she wasn't prepared for that. So in her defense, that wasn't a fair competition.
Story to the game or whatever. The story to the what should I say?
I don't know.
The story is I won. She lost. Maybe next time. Look who's back in the refrigerator. Gracie. Amy Grace. Get out the refrigerator. Please. Amy Grace. Why you keep getting going in the refrigerator? Huh? Huh? You slopping. Huh? You gonna get out? Come on. Come on now. Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen. Yeah, come on. Come on now. Come on, get on out. Get on out. Get on out. Come on. You. Get out. Come on. There we go. Let's close the refrigerator. What are you seeing, Livy? You seeing the world? Can you see me? Look down this way. Oh, you're not tall enough? You gotta look up.
You gotta look up. She's trying to see the stars. Oops, I think my hair goes
Amy
slow.
sleep.
Yep.
She's still asleep.
She tired.
She tired. She got tired at church today. What you gotta say?
How about
Got a rock. See? Whoa, see? It's rocking. Whoa.
Stop.
Whoa. Whoa.
I had to sit down.
Huh? You gonna sit down?
No.
You gonna try to get off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Aww. Hey girl. You like it? You smiling? Gotta go up. Come on. No.
Why did that mosquito that noise?
she's supposed to slide down?
You supposed to slide down?
Yes.
Let's go try to slide down. Come on.
Yeah. I go up like this.
No, you gotta. What is?
Oh.
Oh, come right here. Liv. Come right here. Step up right there. Got it. Oh, step up. All right.
What's this?
Come over here. Go down the big slide. You're going down the small slide. Hey, can't get out my refrigerator? Can't get out the refrigerator? Huh? Trying to dance, girl? Huh? You trying to dance?
Slide down.
It's recording.
What? See?
Say thank you for watching Marrell TV.
Thank you for watching Marrell TV.
Subscribe.
Slide.
Years here.